This is Alina's Gardens. Welcome to our home. I'm Armeen and I'm the owner of this homestay. I'm from Austria. I grew up in Germany at the bottom of the Alps. I used to run a logistics company in the UK, and 5 years ago when I met my Chinese wife, I decided to come to Shenzhen where she lived and worked. 2018, our daughter Alina was born. I wanted to grow her up in a more natural and free environment like I did myself when I was a child. We came to Yichun County as a family for a break, and we're staying in a beautiful homestay, and we instantly fell in love with it. Without hesitation, we decided we're going to take on the homestay for Alina to grow up, and that's how we came to Tachuan in Yichun County, and we live in this beautiful countryside. The attraction for me to operate and build a homestay in the countryside, in one way, is for me to learn about Chinese culture, to be able to observe and experience Chinese country life. At the same time, I want to bring some of my experiences and things I've enjoyed and into the homestay, so it becomes a fusion between East and West, if you like. I want to bring together the best of both worlds. It's exciting. I think that's all it comes down to. And I meet so many people from different provinces, different backgrounds. The biggest accomplishment with that I've seen so far is the change in Alina. She's very bright, outgoing and confident. Here she lives in the countryside. She has in my opinion, a bigger playground. There's no restrictions. There's nothing holding her back to explore and express herself. And living in a small village, the people are friendly and everybody's looking out for her. This is our homestay. This is our lifestyle. I want you to come and experience it for yourself and visit us.